My name is Nikki J. Borger. I'm from Germany, so I'm not a native speaker of English, as you might have figured out by now, but I do my best to express as good as possible. I started salsa dancing 11 years ago when I was in Ecuador. By that time I had salsa lessons with the champions of Ecuador and Colombia, and I learned a lot of big stuff pretty straight away. Then I came back to Europe and I realized, wow, there's more styles to salsa than just the Cuban style I had learned. And I started developing there, going to festivals, practicing a lot. I got the chance to teach alongside a lot of really great teachers that you probably have heard of before. And I also got the chance to perform and teach in congresses and festivals myself. I love salsa dancing. And I love this way of socializing with other people, of being with other people, of meeting new people, and simply sharing the beauty and joy of living with others.